Kevin? Yeah. You know, I was like, Mr. Kevin, they already out here. I was like, she didn't want to get out. She didn't want to get off the boat. I was like, come on. Cause she thought we had to get a boat over here. I was like, no, they walking. Get out. At first, it was hot though until we stopped walking. See the water and them trees, that breeze in and out. Yeah, I love this. Did you get on that, Mr. Kevin?
No.
Yeah, that's too far for me. You know.
No, I would like to.
I would tell them.
I don't want to spend the money.
Oh yeah. I would tell them about the Haiti Revolution. About when they first freed the slaves. They were free first. They were chopping the weeds on. They had the sugar canes. The French was a slave in a lot of the Haitians they had brought from Africa over here, and they all of them they met. There were like 300 of them, and late at night while everybody sleeping, chopping their heads off, poison and everything. They free. They got free. I forgot his name, Demetrius or something like that. He was the captain of the slave. That's, a lot of people don't know about it. They made movies about it. Right. That's why they don't want to do nothing for Haiti.
Yeah. They said y'all can't get in there.
Stop.